my tires are spent. All right, so we're back at the track. Everyone's here. We're gonna just for horse. I'm gonna go out. I still have life in those Kendas, dude. Like, I don't know what it's gonna take to kill them, but we're gonna go out. We're gonna keep shredding on them, and hopefully we'll get these Nankings on here pretty soon. But we're gonna go get a couple laps in before they do the tandem comp or the team tandem comp and the tandem qualifying. Take a break and then we'll come back out, hit some more. I got the earlier. It's been a while, so I forgot. In that last run, I hit one of the pylons and got my bumper pretty good, but fortunately, I was able to stitch it back together. Got my real race car going. So let's get out there. Let's get some more laps in. bit the bullet.
Yeah?
They probably still look fine, but they feel like shit.
Qualifying session I've never been a part of.
Alright guys, I'm not exactly sure what score I got. None of us could hear it. Kaylin thinks she might have heard 22 in the video, but we're waiting for the tandem the team tandem comp to finish before we can find out. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're just kind of hanging around the track waiting for some results. And we'll find out tomorrow if I'm going to be competing. It'll be exciting because I mean, you guys have been to every drift event I've been to, besides just private skid pad days. So you guys all know that I've never done any kind of competition. I've never done anything like that. So I wasn't going to. Kaylin kind of peer pressured me. I also kind of had Roy in the back of my head, like telling me, you know, this will push you. This, you know, competition really pushes you to try new things and pushes you beyond your like comfort zone. And you know, obviously, I want to be a better driver. I want to be a better drifter. And I just kind of had, between Kaylin pushing me to do it, and you know, the conversations I've had with Roy about it in the past, it was definitely like something that I did. And so we're waiting for the judges to finish up the team tandem comp, and then we're gonna find out if there's any more time. We might go get a couple laps in at night, but it's pretty late right now. I know it was like 8 o'clock when they started team comp, so I don't think we're gonna get any more laps in tonight.
You did good, guys.
Yeah, my first lap felt really good. They said my initiation was like super good, like scrubbed the wall. I definitely ran a little narrow. It was supposed to be a full outer clip, outer zone, and I treated it more like an inner clip. So that could have been better. The rest of the lap was pretty good. I got pretty close to the outer wall. As you guys saw, Wilt did great filming for me. Second lap, I did okay. Kind of bobbled. I'm not sure if they zeroed me for that, but I'd really like to find out. So we're gonna find out when we finish up the tandem comp. Alright guys, just got the qualifying scores. I got a 23 and a 0. I knew that the second run was a 0. If it wasn't, it was going to be like single digits. So, good shit.
Hopefully I don't fuck up filming tomorrow.
No, you killed it, dude. That was perfect. Perfect.